Welcome back to Deck Trains, a series where we look at a different train set from the collection every week. It is week 107. Boy, we're really moving along right now, aren't we? Thought we were getting close to the end, and another British set has emerged from the shadows of the basement. And you and I both thought we were back to only HO scale trains. So, in 00 scale we find this little blue Hornby 2008 Blue Caledonian Railway 040 Shunter. So as you've noticed, it's already gone back to start picking up a load. Wait a minute, it's come back and it's got nothing with it. But on the next run, we're going to find from Jouef of France, a closed goods wagon, a Hornby Red open goods wagon 8-planker, a Hornby Blue open goods wagon, an 8-planker again. There were 34 Caledonian shunters built between 1885 and 1908 of this design, and by 1962 all had been withdrawn. There appears to be one version left in preservation. These units had a British rating of 0F, meaning they had the least power of any freight locomotive, but that meant they were more than adequate for shunting industry and spurs. I could find no speed ratings for this unit, but as a shunter we all know it's going to be low speed only. The model itself dates from 1980 and was augmented by Hornby through a livery change and reduction in detail in 1983 with their Smokey Joe starter level engine, which now appears to be a staple in the lineup. One thing that hasn't changed are the D-link couplers from the Triang era. Some vintage tooling there, eh? Our 00 scale model does a scale 78.28 kilometers per hour, and that is 48.64 miles per hour at only 50% power. We're back to HO scale next week, and don't forget to come check this out. It's a Fleischmann pasture set number 6375 from 1974. Thanks for watching this week, folks, and please stay healthy so you can watch next week.